guys, it's Alex out here at Transwest here in Belton, Missouri. Also with Custom Hauler Trucks on Facebook. Be sure to check us out at Custom Hauler Trucks KC or transwestrv.com. Guys, this is a Freightliner M2 106. It's a prototype truck. Lots of new features on this thing. This is a bed we designed in partnership with Summit Truck Bodies, which is a sister company to us, and Yellow Frog Graphics, also another one of our sister companies. Big things going on with this thing. First and foremost, bed and running board. Guys, these things are the most solid bed and running board combination put together on one of these Freightliner trucks. We're using 3/8" steel on certain parts of the truck. These fenders, just the pure thickness, the durability of these things. There's no flex, no nothing. This thing's built like a tank. Other quick features just to show you, just to give you a few things. The access to the toolbox. Big storage areas, dual doors, complete access to the toolbox, no hidden corners. They are lit. As soon as you pop the door open, light shines in the toolbox, no blind spot. You also have your air chuck in there and a 12-volt access power point. Guys, as we keep going through here, we go around. Guys, this is a 19.5 GVW truck. Like I said, I'm big hyping on this bed. These ratings on these trucks are 30,000 pound for gooseneck and 36,000 pound bumper. Guys, these ratings on these hitches overrate the truck. That's how heavy this bed is. Currently, it is the only truck out there, Freightliner, custom built truck, that not only has the hitch camera over the hitch here, but it also has a camera down here for the bumper. Another quick feature that you generally see on the Laredo is the cover that covers the hitch. Well, what we did was go ahead and make the cover for the hitch, but also gave it the trough like you see on a Western hauler. It is pre-drilled for a Hensley. You do have your regular 7-pin plug-in for trailers and such here. Ready to go, no problem. Can be easily stored and used as a flatbed on top. On this truck, you also have the toolbox. The toolbox is very heavily built. Spray-on bed liner around the sides. Clean paint on the front. Just gives it a real clean, crisp look. On this side, you also have another toolbox. Completely wide open, also lit, lots of room for storage. Keep going around to the front of the truck, and then it's just a normal Freightliner M2 106 like you would to come to see on the other trucks that we've built. Guys, the bed and the running boards on this thing, heaviest truck we've ever built. The most durable truck we've ever built. Next up, we're gonna take a look on the inside and go over a few of the features we've done on the inside. All right, guys, here we are inside the truck here. Sorry about that little delay. The wind is really messing with us out here today. But here's the inside of this truck. We've got black leather. We've got the diamond tuck in the leg area and in the shoulder area. Got the black steering wheel. We have the carbon fiber wrap dash. Really cleans this truck up. Guys, they went the extra mile and did the sound deadening stuff throughout the whole cabin here. They gutted this thing. It is the quietest truck, Freightliner, that we have to date. Super smooth going down the road. They went through, this is a custom center console, not one out there quite like it. They did put 12-volt power system in it, and they also put wireless charging right here. Guys, I used that on the way home, and that was crazy nice. Have that mix paired with your Stinger head unit up there. It is a 11.5" screen, JL audio throughout, and two 8" subs. Guys, this thing thumps. It sounds good. It's clear. You don't have hardly any wind noise in it, comparatively speaking to a sport chassis, Laredo, Western hauler, any of those trucks. It is a lot quieter in here. Guys, if you have any questions, feel more than welcome to give me a shout. My phone number is 816-489-8298. That's 816-489-8298, or alex.clampitt@transwest.com. Or be sure to check us out on Facebook at Custom Hauler Trucks KC. That's at Custom Hauler Trucks KC on Facebook. Check us out. Thank you.